You're welcome back. Now let's look at another item on the partnership agreement, which is retirement or death of a partner. When a partner dies or retires, the partnership must determine the amount to be paid to that partner. Therefore, there is need to revalue the whole partnership business, which will result in the existence of a goodwill and revaluation surplus or deficit. The goodwill and the revaluation will be treated in the same way as that of admission of a new partner. In the next video, we will solve a question to demonstrate the effect of goodwill and revaluation on the retirement or death of a partner. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.